four categories, family, occupation, recreation, and dreams, are all fantastic topics to make small talk with somebody. Hello everyone, how has your day been? My name is Catalin, and today we're going to be talking about something that can be really scary for everyone, not only English learners but also native English speakers, and that is meeting new people and making small talk. One of the most awkward situations is when you've just introduced yourself to someone, but neither of you are saying anything. You're both just standing there silently. It's very uncomfortable. So to help you avoid those kinds of situations, today I'm going to teach you a really helpful method to make small talk with anyone. Small talk is a very quick and polite conversation about something that is unimportant with a person that you're meeting for the first time, or somebody that you don't know very well. Small talk should be a very casual and easy conversation. You don't really want to talk about taboo subjects, and these are subjects that people don't really like to talk about in their daily life. For example, politics or religion or money. You don't want to talk about something that the other person might get offended about. If you're not sure what to say, then you can use the FORD method. FORD stands for family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. These four things are great things to talk about when you're meeting a new person. Let's start off with F. F is for family. This category is a great one to get a person talking about their personal life. Often people really like to talk about their husbands and wives and their kids. So you can ask a person, are you married? Do you have a partner? Do you have any kids? You can also ask a person, where are you from? And if they've moved to the place that you guys are both living now, you can ask them, how long have you been living here? Do you like living here? Do you have any family back in your home country? Do remember though that this is not an interview. When you're asking these questions from the other person, you also have to talk a little bit about yourself. It's a conversation, it's not an interrogation. Next we have O, and O is for occupation. Your occupation is your work, it's your job. So in this category, you can ask somebody, what do you do? This is just an informal way to ask somebody what their job is. You can also ask that person, do you enjoy your job? How long have you been doing it? If you're talking to a student that doesn't have a job, you can ask them, what are you studying? When will you graduate? Why did you choose to study that? However, do remember for this category in particular, we don't really ask a person how much they get paid, what their salary is. This is a little bit of an awkward subject in Western culture. It's considered a little bit rude if you ask this from someone. After O comes R, and R stands for recreation. Recreation are your hobbies, things that you enjoy doing for fun. So in this category, you can ask a person, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do on the weekend? Do you like sports, cooking, reading? A great thing about this category in particular is that if you guys find hobbies that you have in common, things that you both like, then you can have an awesome conversation about that. For example, if you find out that you both like watching movies, then you can have a conversation about some awesome movies that you've seen recently. Next we have dreams, and by dreams I don't mean the dreams that you have when you're asleep at night. I mean your goals and your aspirations. Things that you want to do in the future, and that can be near in the future or it can be far, far into the future. So you can ask a person, do you have any plans for the weekend? Are you going anywhere special? Or maybe you can talk about travel. People love talking about places that they want to go or that they have been. So you can ask a person, do you have any travel plans this year? Is there anywhere in the world that you would really like to go? In the dreams category, you can also link it back to the O category, occupation. So if the person said that they didn't enjoy their job, then you can ask them, what is your dream job? What would you most like to do for work? And if you've been talking to a student who's going to graduate soon, you can ask them, what are your plans after you graduate? Do you want to travel or do you want to start work? And where do you want to work? So that is the FORD method. These four categories, family, occupation, recreation, and dreams, are all fantastic topics to make small talk with somebody. You can, of course, use any of the questions that I've given you today, or you can even come up with your own on the spot. So that is all we have for today. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please leave me a like and also subscribe. It really makes me happy to see that you guys are enjoying my videos and also learning something new. If you have any questions or video suggestions, you are more than welcome to leave them in the comments down below, or you can also just send me a message on my Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys later. Bye bye!